Hop into the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This versatile Tiguan was built to keep up with your family's busy lifestyle. Standout fuel efficiency, available third-row seating, flexible interior configuration, and advanced safety and connectivity tech make road trips and errands easier than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, floor mats, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel ABS. Sleek style blends with smart practicality in this refined Tiguan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.